Hello WRCC fans, they're coming in thick and fast now, the second video in 2 days. This one is this stunning 1968 smoke grey Morris Minor 2-door saloon. Older restoration, restored in the 2000s. There's a history file with history of what's been replaced and what hasn't been replaced. What's been done and what hasn't been done. It's still got lovely paintwork on it, as you can see. These are the odd blemish here and there, but nothing to get too concerned about. Obviously we can address those if you wanted, but to be honest, it's like I say, they don't really stand out too much, so it's nothing to worry about. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors either side. As you can see, the panel fits really nice on it. Go around again, the chrome's really nice in fact. Mechanically, it's had a reconditioned engine fit, which has been dynoed, so it runs really well. It's had a reconditioned gearbox put in when it were restored. It's also got a Midget ratio diff in it as well. So no bubbling at the bottom of the tailgate there, or the boot lid as we call it, no frilly edges. Really nice car, really nice shine to it, really attractive. So we'll go and have a look inside. That's it, nice panel fit, all the rubbers and everything in all good order. The door shuts are all nice and clean. As you can see, the spot wells in the gutters, which is a good thing. It's had a banjo wheel fitted. It's had your gauges there for water temperature, oil pressure and voltage and whatnot. It's showing 57,000 miles on the clock. So showing 57,000 miles on the clock. Nice clean dash, nice clean glove box sign. As I say, it's got a banjo wheel fitted. Headlining's really nice and clean. Carpets are really nice and clean. Rear seat cover, cards and everything are all good. Door cards are all good. It's had 7 previous keepers. As I said, there's your history file down there in the footwell. Headlining's all nice and clean. It's got an LED upgrade. Interior light in it as well, which works quite nicely. It's got a 12-volt socket, which is down there, hidden out of the way. As I said, runs well, drives well. Oh, forgot to put the bonnet. So, runs well, drives well. In fact, it's a pleasure to drive. Engine bay's nice and clean. Insulated bulkhead there. Fancy getting an air filter on her. It's got an alternator fitted. No rot or rust or anything negative to report. The flitches, tie plates, inner wings, bulkhead, all nice and clean. As is the rest of the car. See, rear lights are in good order, no pitting on those. There's the all important Yorkshire Minor Centre branding on her. Again, nice carpet lined boot, nothing negative to report there on the boot floor. The inner wings all nice and clean there, as you can see. No frilly edges on the boot lid, and the chrome on the handles all good. As I say, there's the odd mark on her, but to be honest with you, I like it. I think it adds character. And I'm not going to use the P word. So, love the car, 1968, 7 previous owners. Full details follow at www.westridingclassics.co.uk, as you can see there. You can give us a call for details now, 01422 881221. This video will obviously be on YouTube, or you can send us an email, inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. Lovely car, come up and have a look. I can guarantee you'll fall in love with it. It's very nice. We've also got some more stock hopefully going live tomorrow. I've got a nice convertible, I've got a low light, if anybody's looking for a low light, a very nice 2-door saloon. So give us a bell and we'll go from there. Cheers guys.